My name is Patrick Sullivan. I'm the executive chef at Charlie's Place in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut, right on the shoreline. I'm also the host of Ketchup to Caviar, which is a show that a friend of mine are doing. To be doing something as simple dish as ketchup and something as extravagant as caviar. Let's get going. So today we have crispy apple smoked bacon, aged Parmesan and Asiago cheese, cubed unsalted butter, heavy cream, fresh lemon, shallot, garlic. This is a garlic oil. This is the parsley oil. And of course, the freshest of leeks. These right here are Bombster scallops, stone-thin scallops, with the sweetest, most succulent scallops you're gonna find. So we're gonna start off by doing the cream leeks. Fresh leeks. Try to use the white parts only. Nice fine mint. Helps them dissolve a little better. All right. Just a very little oil, very little butter. Gonna turn this heat up a little bit. It's gonna draw the moisture out of them, make them a little bit sweeter, of course softer. And we're gonna turn that heat down. Deglaze with a little white wine. Cook that down for about 30 seconds. Add a little of the garlic infused oil. Little cracked black pepper. Little salt. So let that cook down for 20 more seconds. During this time, we've got a hot saute pan right here, ready to go for the pan-seared, sweetened sea scallops. Turn the heat up a little bit of oil in the pan. Just a little bit of salt. We're gonna let these do a nice hard caramelization. Probably gonna take about 3 minutes on that side by itself. This is starting to dry out right now. So I'm gonna add my heavy cream. At this point, I'm gonna add my shallots. I like them to have a little bit of color, a little bit of crunch to them still if I can, and of course color near the end also. I'm also going to put the bacon in here right now also. It's already pre-cooked. Half is going to be for the sauce, half is going to be for the garnish. So far, so good. The sauce is probably about a minute away. All right, we're gonna add a little of this cheese right here to kind of help bind this up. Turn that dough, turn it down just a little bit. Bubbles are starting to get a little bit bigger, then a little bit smaller. You know you're getting a nice reduction. Scallops are probably about 3 minutes away from turning right now, tops. Right now I'm going to add the butter to this sauce called Monto Beurre to end at the end with a little sweetened butter. this sauce is done. Check for seasoning a little bit later. Let these go for about another minute or so. And then I'm going to add this sauce to this pan to kind of finish off the soft cooking of these scallops. In this pan right now, I'm going to prepare the pan-roasted baby asparagus spears. So I grab a few of these, maybe 4. I'm going to cut them long on the bias. A little oil in this pan. I'll turn this heat up. A little salt and pepper, always. I'm gonna turn this pan down a little bit because they're almost done. The glaze with a little bit more wine, take that stuff off the bottom of the pan. Okay. Now I'm going to add the cream leeks to the pan and let them simmer in that for another 30 seconds before I plate them. We're about 30 seconds away from plating up. All right.
You're putting in what now?
This is pan-roasted baby asparagus spears, a little bit of salt and pepper. Very nice and simple. And of course, we're going to finish off this dish with a salted parsley oil just for garnish, of course, a little bit of flavor. Now we're going to put some tomatoes in it just for a little bit of garnish, and we're going to do a little bit of a lemon zest. And now this is just zesting some lemon with the freshest essence of lemon you can possibly get onto a dish. And that is it, people, in a nutshell. All right, folks, so thank you so much for checking us out. What we do here at Charlie's Place in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut. This is the pan-sweetened sea scallop with cream leeks, pan-roasted baby asparagus, a little bit of lemon zest, and of course, fresh sliced cherry tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed looking at what we did today. Come down and enjoy a dish like this any single day of the week. Thank you so much.